In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the fill button to create trends. And we're going to use the trends to predict the income for year 2, 3, and 4. We've chosen an income prediction for year 1 here, and an income prediction for year 5. So we just need those two amounts to project a trend for years 2, 3, and 4. So the first one we're going to do is a linear trend. And the linear trend projects growth at a set interval or a constant amount each year. So I'm going to start out by selecting cells B6 through F6, which includes the beginning and ending amounts plus the years in between. Then I'm going to go to my fill button, and I'm going to go down to series, and I want to make sure that rows is checked because my series is in a row. And I am going to do a linear trend, so I'm going to leave that alone, but I am going to check the trend checkbox. And so you can see that there's a steady increase from year 1 to year 5 with the linear trend. If I plot the linear trend on a chart, it's going to be a straight line. Okay, so next I'm going to demonstrate the growth trend. And in a growth trend, the greatest increases occur toward the end of the period, or toward the end of the end of the 5-year period. A growth trend projects the income based on a constant percentage each year. So I'm going to go ahead and select B6 through F6 again, and I'm going to go back to my fill button, back to series. Rows should still be checked. This time I'm going to check growth for the type, and I want that to be a trend, and then I'm going to click OK. So if you take a look at this, you'll notice that the biggest growth happens toward the end of the 5-year period. Okay, so those are, that is how you create trends using the fill button.